Salam salam, this is Unity and I'm here to do a Unity moment. So I have a couple of items that Beebeecrafts sent me. I featured their products before. I'll put the link in the description box. The first thing I want to show y'all is these cute little beads. I had some beads like similar to this years ago and I used them all up because I really liked them. It's just some cute little wooden beads and they got like a little design on them. The ones I had, I think the design went across instead of going down vertical. It went horizontal, but they remind me of them. I thought, to be honest, I thought these was going to be a little bigger, but I could put them, y'all to see what I make from them. I make some cute little beaded earrings from them. So I think it's 500 coming here. All the links to these will be in the description box. Yeah, it's 500 beads in here. So I'm going to make some cute little beaded earrings that I'll share with y'all. You got some cute little black beads. But you always need a black bead. Well, I always need a black bead to use on earrings. You can use them for hair. And this is PandaHall Elite. I know y'all done seen that brand before. Okay. I think these are 3. Y'all see the size? I see the size. I put a lot of these on my earrings. But I need to get them in red, green, yellow. I got yellow, but I need some red and green. Those colors go fast with me. So we got those. Show y'all what else I got. So these cute little kits. To be honest, I never really bought one of these jewelry little kits like this, but I'll put it across the screen. And I think it'd be cute for like just a person starting out, or like me. I'm gonna make some cute little earrings. So you get a lot of different shapes. I like these. I wish these was a little bigger, but we're gonna make them happen. We're gonna make. I remember I made some earrings with this size years ago. I'll probably get some cut, but yeah, you got that. You got the teardrop. You got like this little, I don't know what that is shape, but it's cute. What else you got in here? I think that's it. So you got the teardrop, you got this, and then you got this shape right here. Yeah. So you got like 3 shapes. It's cute. I think it'll be cute. On top of that, y'all, you got some gold ear hooks, some gold jump rings. You got like a silver ear hook, silver jump rings. This is like a rosy gold jump rings. This like a, ear hook. You got like a rusted kind of antique goldy ear hooks. And then you got that color again, like that rosy gold. I don't know if y'all can see it. It looks like it's, I don't know if it's showing, but on the screen. And then you got this silver. This is more like a stainless steel silver. And this is silver. Each one you got the jump rings with them. So that is not bad. And these are really reasonable. Okay, so I think this would be a cool little gift for someone. Another thing that I got is some more wood. And then I haven't looked in here like that, but it's some circles. Okay, you know, I like circles. I got some more teardrops, and this cute. You could connect that to that and make some cute little dangly earrings. I'm gonna use this whole pack and make a couple of pair of earrings and show y'all. Oh, I like that too. I done had something like this before. And then this, I'm gonna show y'all what I made. I already done used those. Let me show y'all what I made from that. Yeah, so we got all of them in there. And this also comes with jump rings, ear hook wires. I see if there's another jump ring in here. Yeah, it's another one. It's a really good gift to give to someone that want to make some cute earrings. Yeah, that's dope. You probably got like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different shapes in here. Got like 6 different shapes. And all these gonna be really cute. I'm gonna show y'all what I did with this one. Is some cute little earring packs. Alright. I like that they got recycle on there. And then this is one of the last things I got. I got one more thing I got to show y'all after this. So it's a box of 50 Africas. And when I tell y'all the sale, well, I don't know by the time y'all see this video, you literally get all these for like $10, but I think they had a sale for $6. 6 for all these Africas, y'all. So you get the Africas, you get the jump ring, and you get the ear hooks. Here they go right here. Let me grab. I done made a pair of earrings with these. I'm finna show y'all now. Now this is a good quality. Yeah, I like this color when I be using the ones that's not sterling silver. I like these. And then you got these. This is a really good deal. All these Africas. It's a really good deal. So let me show y'all what I made from this. So far, I made both of these pairs. These are ownership designs, but if they don't sell within a couple of days, they will be on my website. Because I always making more of earrings, so I don't really hold them unless one of the sisters asked me to hold them with this shape. Yep, I made them with this shape. I'm going to make a couple of more pair, but I'll do a separate video and show y'all what I created. But I think these came out really, really cute. Yeah, and I also, you know, this shape right here, I took it and I just laid it on top of here. You don't have to worry about putting a hole. I glued it. So I think these are cute. Also a ownership design at this moment. By the time y'all see this video, it could be sold or not. It might be on my website. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all what I created so far. Ooh, just show y'all. I've been making earrings for a long time, and this wood quality is okay. It's not, you know, I'm being honest. It's okay. It's a good wood quality to be the price that it is. I'm just being honest. I would purchase it. I mean, it's good to have like stuff like this around because you can add on to what you already got. And these right here is this right here. Let me show you. I literally used, and the shells, they come from Beebeecrafts too. You see this? That is that right there. I really, really like this package. I need to get about 5 more of these packages, y'all. Y'all better go click these links below and grab these because I've been on board up everything. Yeah, because if I put these on my website, I'm duplicating them. So I'm gonna need as many of these and many of these. So y'all better grab them. Let me show y'all one of the last things that I got. Let me move them. And it's a bag of eggs. I'm going to do a video and I'm going to tell y'all the spiritual reason why I got the eggs. Some of y'all we got a hole in the bottom. Well, spiritual, y'all already know what it means. So these are some of the eggs I got. They're good quality. And I'll tell y'all more about it. What I'm going to do with them. Of course, I'm going to paint them. So y'all will see exactly what I do with them in the upcoming video. So that is all the things that I got from Beebeecrafts. Each one of these items will be in a link below. Y'all click them. On top of that, if you put in Khadijah 10, you get 10% off. Because I know some of the sisters that I have told about it have already went and got some of the Africas and stuff like that. So y'all gone over there and get that deal. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Respect those that respect you. Adopt a pet from your local shelter or rescue. Leave a beautiful comment. And salam, salam. This is really good quality wood, y'all. All right. Salam, salam.